Winds were gusting to near 40 miles per hour when panicked neighbors saw huge flames ripping through a West Side house. The fire eventually spread to the house next door and several cars that were in the driveway. KENS 5's Sue Kalberg is joining us right now live on West Knoll Drive, where recovery is going to take quite some time. Sue, a lot of damage there, huh?
Yes, Sarah, a lot of damage. As you can see from the charred remains here of the house and all of the cars, this fire was intense. Even though they started dumping water on it as fast as they could pump it, as you can see, the fire started eating its way into the house next door, and that scared everyone.
I was scared, and I ran out here and looked, and it was already fully inflamed.
And the wind was blowing.
And then the wind, yeah, it was pretty. I was hoping that it wouldn't jump across the street since the wind blowing this way.
I heard this explosion that I could have sworn a car had come into my yard, and I was expecting to see a car in my wall. That's how loud it was.
We from over there in Military Drive and New Laredo Highway, and we could see the black smoke, and the wind was blowing really hard.
Now, there was one woman treated on scene for smoke inhalation. She had asthma. One dog did die. They are still looking for a cause. They've said damage to the two houses and the cars is about $150,000 total. Now, fire officials say because of the winds, there shouldn't be any outdoor burning today. And if you see a fire truck on the way to save somebody else's house, they say, please consider getting out of the way. Live in West San Antonio, Sue Kalberg, KENS 5.
Yeah, absolutely important advice and reminder.